Man, look at the sweat. This is crazy. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Had a catastrophe last week. The way I drive my motorcycle up on the deck where I store it has always worked with my Suzuki and my other bikes, and you just ride up here on the deck, and you can just see. I put a 2x12 up here, no problem. But when I had the old Harley, which is about 300 pounds more than my other bike, it kind of started tearing things up. And the deck started getting tore up a little bit, but like a hippie. Haven't cut my hair since COVID started in April. For me, that is. Anyway, started tearing the deck up, and then this last Saturday, actually Sunday, I went on a ride, came home, and I found this. Upon coming back and coming down the ramp, this was laying on the floor. I was like, what the heck is that thing? Started looking. I was like, what the? And I thought it was like something went around my license tag, but it wasn't that. So I started looking around the bike, and this is what I found. Yes, that is the oil radiator that this thing went on. And what has happened is these tabs have bent. So when the bike was coming down, it hit the bottom and bent it up. Now I temporarily have to fix this. I ordered a new radiator with a fan. Since it's bent, I figured might as well go ahead and upgrade it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bend this back in place, put this back on, and hopefully everything works out okay. But I think it takes about a week for the other one to get here. Anyway, I was totally heartbroken when this happened, and anyway, let's get to work. There's 2 screws. They're T27s. I'm gonna take both of those off, and then I'm gonna bend those tabs back straight, and we'll go from there. Here's a little bit better angle of what I'm dealing with. There's the other screw, and you can see that post is bent, causing my oil pipe to bend also. Again, that's a T27. Comes out pretty easy. And there she is. Now I need to straighten these tabs. Okay, I've straightened that one out. Now it's back to do the other side. You see how bent the other side is. Sucker's bent up. Anyway, I bent this back into place, and we're almost done. Okay, I think we got her back on there. Got the grommets installed. Straighten everything up as best I can straighten it. Let me go ahead and cinch her down these 2 screws. Okay, that's just a temporary fix. If you look at the top, this must have been bent. The top doesn't fit right. But until my new one comes in, that's pretty good. It's on there secure. It's not gonna go anywhere. At least I can ride. And I want to give a quick shout out to Capri tools. This is one of the tools that I used. And it's got all these T-bits. And the one I used was the T27. It's got a kind of a long reach. Okay, I'm sweating down. Look at this. That's what it's like to work out here in the heat when it's 95 degrees. It's a little hot, but I got the old girl fixed back up. So let's go ahead and fire her up. Thanks for watching. Until next time, maybe we'll have some more fun stuff to do besides working. Man, look at the sweat. This is crazy. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Oh man, love the South. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.